Hi everyone, welcome to the Dollar Tree. Let's see what they have in gift wrapping. So I'm in a different location, so let's see what they have. So these, I like these gift tags because they have the bow already on them, these little mini bows. So they have plenty of those. And then down here they have 100 pieces of these gift stickers, gift tag stickers. I think that's a good buy. Then they have 104 count of these self-adhesive tags, and then they have these kind of tags. I'll just scan those. 104 count right here on this one, and then this one is 52. Here's 104. So that's what these tags over here look like. These are so pretty. Aren't they pretty? These are so nice. And let's see. So over here they have the little small gift boxes for the cards. So that's really nice. Okay. So then they have the small plain ones, and then over here they have them in color. So a lot of this is wiped out, so I just want to show you what they do have. So I'm absolutely loving these boxes. These are so nice. This one says bakery, Penguin Town Bakery, and then they have this one that says Merry Christmas. And then I think I see the gingerbread. Let's see. So they have the gingerbread. Isn't that nice? And then they do come in sizes, small, medium, and large. I'm absolutely loving that gingerbread house. I think that's so adorable. And then this one too. So then you come over here, you have the boxes here. This is the snowman and Christmas. And look at the little one. This is so nice. And then they have the Happy Holidays. That one over there has ornaments on it. And then all I see is candy. They have kind of gift wrapping paper in lots of sections of the store. So they have this box here. Oh look, they have Disney. So they have the Peanuts. Okay, they have Rudolph. Here's Rudolph. That's so nice. Star Wars. That's really nice. So over here they have more. And then they have the gift cards, which I think for $1 is a good buy. So these are 12. Some of them have 14. And these right here say 20. And that one says Hope. Oh look, this one has a truck. It says Merry Christmas. And those are 6. This one here, it's like a 3D of the Merry Christmas. So let me scan those for you. They're so pretty. Okay. So then if we come over here, we have 2 more boxes of the wrapping paper. Okay, and then here are some of the tins. So I like these tins. So this one is a snowman, and then there's a truck. And then this one says, have a cup of cheer. There's a reindeer, there's gingerbread, and look, the camper. Okay, the cardinals. These are so nice. So now we come over here, we're gonna see, okay, here's the ornaments, the drums. These are smaller, and then these are slightly bigger. And these are my favorite ornaments right here. This is red, this is gold. Then here's the tree skirt for the small tree, and then the little ornaments for the small tree. Then you have these miniatures. I love those. And then you have the miniature trees. I think those are really nice. Then along the bottom here, they have the little miniature village. Okay, so we have the general store. I think that's a church. Yeah, that's all they have is those 2. Okay. I think they kind of wiped out the Christmas stuff, but let's see what they have. So their bows and their gift bags are absolutely beautiful. So we don't have much as far as the bows, but I'm pretty sure they'll restock. Okay, so we have this kind of paper and this one. Okay, I like this craft paper. I really do. Okay, so let me just scan this for you. Then they have these red bows over here. And then This is mostly, some of these you can use as Christmas bags. Like you can use these wine bags. They're very nice. And then these are really pretty. Aren't these pretty? So there it is in the red, the silver. And then I love this one. Isn't that gorgeous? There it is in the gold. Okay, so some more of the gift wrapping paper here. And this is the wedding section, so this isn't really the Christmas section. So that's pretty much it as far as what I can see as far as paper products and gift boxes for Christmas. So guys, thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree to see what they had in gift, bows, and more. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.